Welcome guys, tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to hide sensitive notifications on the lock screen on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to click on the notifications, and then we have to just click on the notifications on lock screen, and as you can see here we have hide silent conversation and notifications, or don't show any notifications. And also here we have sensitive notifications that we have just turn off. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!